You think you're busy? I'm teaching university classes, writing a new textbook, and making YouTube videos. Give me a break. Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. At the start of this video, I was not mad. I was just trying to show you how to use the expression or phrase, give me a break. In this lesson, I'm going to show you with some examples how you can use this very useful expression. This is a very popular phrase in American English. However, it is a very casual, conversational phrase. I would only use it with your friends or maybe your family members, like your sisters or brothers. You do not use give me a break in a business setting. In this lesson, I will show you 2 ways you can use the phrase or expression, give me a break. First of all, when people use this expression, they often say it fast. So, give me a break will sound like, give me a break. Can you say it? Let's try it. Give me a break. Once more. Give me a break. Okay, good. The actual meaning of give me a break means a rest. So you would like a rest or a break. Give me a break. However, we often use it when we dislike what the other person said. For example, your sister or brother asks you to help them with their homework. And you help them. However, maybe 2 minutes later, they ask you again to help you with their homework. And you help them again. And then 5 minutes later, they ask you again. And then you say, give me a break. You need to do the homework by yourself. In this example, you are unhappy that your sister or brother continued asking you for help. You did not like what they said, so you use the expression, give me a break. Also, you can use give me a break when you want someone to stop bothering you. I'm sorry, it's a phone call. Just a moment. Hello?
Hi, Steve. How's it going?
Actually, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now.
Oh. Listen, can you finish the book chapter this afternoon?
But I'm really busy today.
Come on. We need to finish it.
Give me a break. I wrote 2 chapters last week.
Okay, we can wait until tomorrow.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Okay, see you. I'm so sorry about that. Let's get back to the video. So, there was an example of give me a break. I did not want to hear the information on the phone from my friend. So, I used the expression, give me a break. Again, you dislike what the person said, or you feel the person is bothering you. That's one use of give me a break. Next, let's talk about the second way we can use give me a break. All right, the second way that you can use give me a break is when you do not believe what the other person said. It's not true. And you use the expression give me a break. Let's check out this example. My friend said he can play football in the English Premier League. Give me a break. He's not that good of a player. I don't believe my friend can play in the English Premier League. Give me a break. I feel that information is not true. This guy thinks he's a good dancer. Give me a break. That is not dancing. In this lesson, you learned the useful expression or phrase, give me a break. And you could use this when the other person says information that makes you feel unhappy. You don't want to hear it. Or when the information is false. You feel it's not true. Give me a break. I hope you can use this expression and feel more confident speaking English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click the like button below and share this lesson with others. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.